creation in one family from Little Rock, Arkansas.
Everything that you are seeing tonight, the spinning globe, the flying angels, the twirling carousels, all the millions and millions of lights were originally on the Osborne's house in Arkansas.
What I love about the display are all the little touches. The decorated bikes, the barbecue grills, the basketball hoop, the tire swing. Jimmy's Osborne decorated everything that was in his yard. So much fun.
They certainly can bring out the holiday spirit in all of us. And speaking of fun, how about we see these lights dance to a holiday favorite?